Guys, we are about to enter Goa in some time. हम लोग पहली बार गोवा आए हैं and हम एंटर करने वाले हैं गोवा. This is our first trip to Goa in life and we are very excited about it. आप सामने देख रहे हैं आप कैसे बारिश हो रही है. जैसे हम लोग एंटर किए बारिश शुरू हो गई. अभी थोड़ी बारिश कम हो गई है वैसे, बट वो देखिए नज़ारा सामने. We are able to see the hills as well as the clouds, black clouds. एंड उसके बीच में सूरज हल्का सा दिख रहा है डूबता हुआ. सो दिस इज द व्यू बेसिकली वी आर एबल टू सी. नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग गोवा. वी आर जस्ट 100 kilometers from our resort. Our resort has been booked at Rendezvous Resort in Dona Paula, Panjim, Venginium Beach. So we are approaching towards it. अभी 100 किलोमीटर रह गया. अभी हम 2 घंटे पहुंच जाएंगे and we'll update later. Okay, see the view and enjoy the view. And this is our first trip to Goa. Yo, guys, see the awesome view. बता चुका हूँ पहले. एंड आप व्यूज देखिए घाट्स में. अभी हम चोरला घाट्स, आई थिंक दिस इज चोरला घाट्स. हम लोग हैदराबाद से वी हैव टेकन 685 किलोमीटर्स. Around about 13 to 14 hours with breaks. And see the views. We are just about to enter Goa at some time in next 2 hours to our resort in Dona Paula, Panaji, Panjim. So this is, I think these views are adding the tempo. जो आप गोवा में मैं सारी बातें आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ जो हम लोग करते हैं फैमिली. And yes, today is our marriage anniversary. That's why we visited Goa. Me and my wife, we have our marriage anniversary, 11th marriage anniversary. So we have have some drinks also and some food, good Goan food. We'll see once we reach the hotel. और बीच में कुछ व्यूज दिखे तो मैं आपको दिखाता रहूँगा. चलिए, we'll see you in hotel. If views are there, So hello guys, we have reached finally to Goa after a 14 hours journey basically. Earlier when I started, I was thinking why Google Maps is showing so much time, 14 hours, because I was thinking that at that speed which I was doing, I got easily completed by 12:30 hours. But finally what happened is Chorla Ghats came in at the last point. आखिरी में जो 150 किलोमीटर थे चोरला घाट्स की एंट्री हुई वहाँ पर, जो कि 70 से 80 किलोमीटर वो ले गए. एंड दोस्त वो वेरी स्टीप घाट्स यार, मतलब. और रोड्स भी अच्छी कंडीशन अच्छी नहीं है, खुद गड्ढे खुदे हुए हैं. थोड़ा डार्क भी हो गया था, तो इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, लॉट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन एज लॉट ऑफ टाइम एज वेल. तो फाइनली वी रीच्ड आवर डेस्टिनेशन Rendezvous Resort in near Vizhinjam Beach in Dona Paula in Panjim in Goa after 14 to 14.5 hours. We started 5:30 in the morning and we have reached by almost 8. It is 8:30 now. We have just settled in, everything settled in. और we wanted to have a cake. Basically हम केक ऑर्डर करने की कोशिश की थी बट केक नहीं मिल रहा है. तो बेसिकली हमने कुछ ड्रिंक्स ऑर्डर किए हैं, विस्की फॉर मी एंड वाइन फॉर माई वाइफ. एंड वाइन वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल टू मच. सम फोर्ट वाइज सम ब्ला फोर्ट वन इज अवेलेबल. 90 ml के 2 मैंने उसके उनके लिए ऑर्डर किए हैं और वैट 69 के 30 ml के 2 पैक मैंने उनके लिए ऑर्डर किए हैं. एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर हर, आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड प्रॉन बिरयानी एंड फॉर माई सेल्फ आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड चिकन एंड प्रॉन फ्राइड राइस. तो ये सब खा के बेसिकली वी आर टू एग्जॉस्टेड टुडे, 14-15 घंटे. एंड वी आर इन द होटल रूम. सी माई सन इज स्टैंडिंग देयर. ही इज नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग बिकॉज ही हैज जस्ट फ्रेशन अप. सो एनीवे, अब रूम में घुसे हैं जस्ट. एंड रूम इज गुड. Rendezvous Resort, दिस इज Rendezvous Resort at Dona Paula near Vizhinjam Beach in Panjim. Took 14 plus hours to reach us here, and it has been I'll show you some shots of the outside of the resort also. It's a good resort basically. I've seen the menu also, and all the complimentary things basically available here. A good TV is there. Their bathroom is also good. Everything is good. And the food is not also not very expensive. I've seen it is mediocre quality. Mediocre not quality, I don't know. As of now, I've not taken it. But the rates and all are mediocre only, because for VAT 69 30 ml they're charging 100. That is very nominal in these kind of resorts. Some high-end resorts will give you 200, even 250 for 30 ml of VAT 69. VAT 69 is a very good brand basically. It is, I think it is 2000 per bottle. 1 750 किलोमीटर। ठीक है, तो ये था हमारा आज का डे। वी ड्रोव all the way from Hyderabad. 14 hours it took, 14 plus hours. It was very exhausting. We'll celebrate our anniversary. Today is our anniversary. Happy anniversary to us. We have turned 11 today. Me and my wife have completed 11 years of our marriage, successful marriage. I have a 6.5-year-old son, 6.5 plus, almost 6.5 years old son. So it has been good till now, and I hope we can carry for long years going forward. Thanks for the love and support. And this is the vlog for today. Okay, bye. And tomorrow I'll go out to see some places and all, beaches and all. I'll do beach hopping and I'll go to some places, some forts and all, some temples, probably some forts, some waterfalls possible. And tomorrow and day after, but next 2 nights we are here, today night as well as next 2 coming nights. And then we'll leave back for Hyderabad on 21st morning, Sunday morning. Today is Thursday night we have reached. Friday and Saturday night also we are staying here full day. We'll do beach hopping and we'll do some shopping and we'll go to waterfalls and forts and all everything. And then next day also we'll do the same, basically, because Goa is a very big place. There's so many beaches, and we'll enjoy the seafood outside also, and the shacks basically on the beaches. And let's see what activity we can do. We'll do some shopping also, some t-shirts and probably some accessories and all my wife wants to buy. And that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. This is for the first day. We reached Goa today after our day's journey, basically 14 plus hour journey. 680. It is 690 something. Some goof ups were there. 690 plus. Almost 700 kilometers we have done today. Okay, bye. See you. Take care. Hi guys. Good morning. Today is 19 November, Friday, and we are at the buffet. Basically, we are having our buffet. You can see that. My son and wife are also here. We are having our buffet. It was a very nice buffet arrangement at the Rendezvous Resort in Goa, where we are staying at. We're having quite fun. See, a lot of things are there. Buffet, we have a lot of things. Paratha is there, idli is there, then omelette, then bread, then fruit juice, tea, milk. A lot of things are there. See my son. Hello. They're all having buffet. Lot of people. See, my wife is taking. Nice arrangement. This is a buffet breakfast we are having, and then we'll head to Kalangudi Beach and Baga Beach, Goa, for beach hopping as well as some shopping, as well as a little bit feast, Ogada Fort and all. See, in some time we'll connect after having breakfast. See this lavish buffet breakfast. So guys, this is the swimming pool basically of the resort. This is the bar and restaurant area. These are the rooms we are staying at, and this is the swimming pool. This is not a very big swimming pool basically, and not very deep also. Just for the comfort of the people. Nice swimming pool. These are the rooms. Nice swimming pool. This is restaurant and bar. They'll serve you alcohol also. That's strict timings. And this is the function area basically. If any function or event is being held, it is in this area. This is a kind of amphitheater. People stand in this side, and this is a stage. This is all their property, Rendezvous Resort. Big resort. A lot of things are there. We just had see my wife and my son are chilling out. Nice resort. This is all their property. এখানে কিছু কি কি ছিল আমরা জানতাম না বেসিক্যালি, আমরা ওখান থেকে খালি দেখছিলাম। ভিতরে কাফি কিছু আছে, দেখো ওদিকে একটা ও আছে বসার জায়গা, তারপরে কি কি আছে। Okay, see you guys, see the property properly. And this is a Rendezvous Resort we are staying at. There's a swimming pool there, there's a function area here, there's a restaurant and bar and the rooms we are staying at. All this. Okay.